Welcome to Glassskinz. This is our home office slash man cave. I'm Steve. I'm the mad scientist behind the Glassskinz brand, and we are here to do a double install for Mopars. Yep, we got a Challenger here in an F8 green, and we've got a wicked wrap bag Charger that we're also going to put a backdraft on today. But first, we got to go over cleaning the glass. So of course, you're going to need some microfiber towels. You're going to potentially need some painter's tape to hold the part in place. We do provide the 3M Primer 94 sticks. You snap these, squeeze it, get the tip wet, and you'll apply that to the glass. We'll show that to you later in the video. There's a whole host of things that you can do to clean the glass properly. So first, what we really like to recommend is the chemical guys. They have a hard water spot remover. And this does really well at removing everything from the glass. It gets right down into the micro pores and removes it really well. If you're not able to get this, simple old Barkeep's Friend. This is called Bonami, and our Barkeep's Friend is another brand, Bonami. But you can make a paste out of this and use a sponge to scrub the outer edge of your glass to remove ceramics. We can also use the prep spray. Any brand will do, but this is a grease and wax remover for body work. So if you're going to paint a car, you can use this. Spray it on the towel first, wipe it on the glass. Do not spray it onto the glass first. We also found that going over the glass with either a clay bar or the eraser sponges also does really well at removing any residual residues of grease or ceramics or anything like that. You can use this with Dawn dish detergent or your favorite glass cleaner. We particularly like to use the invisible glass, which will be the final step. You can also use general purpose adhesive cleaner. If you've had louvers or anything sticky on the glass before, this is a 3M general purpose adhesive remover. And again, this is spray on the towel first, then clean the glass, then go over it with your invisible glass. So if you follow those procedures, you should be able to get proper adhesion. Remember, your Primer 94 is really important, and the car does need to sit an average of 10 to 24 hours. In the summer months, when we're in the 80s plus, you know, 10 hours is good. Don't get it wet, but we prefer to let it sit 24 hours. In the colder weather, absolutely 24 hours. Don't get it wet. And that'll be the best way for you to install your Glassskinz. Today, we're going to show you how to prep and install your Challenger Hellion rear valance. So essentially, we have the painted part here. This is the back side. And same like all our other procedures, we're just simply going to start the tape. So we're going to start the tape a little bit on here, on each corner, and fold them over. And if you want, you can use some painter's tape to hold them back on the other side. And voila, you're done. And today we're going to show you how to install your backdraft on the Charger. So this is the front end of the part. This is our standard gloss black, not painted part, which is extremely popular. They're ready to go on the car, but we do offer all OEM colors, plus a satin and matte black. So essentially, we're just going to flip this one over, real easy, and you'll notice that she's got bumpers on the back side. And what we're going to do is we're going to start by peeling the bumpers. And it's just a brown paper that comes off, and you'll peel all the bumpers. And what we're going to do is just peel back and prep your corners, and should be prepped for install. We're here on a Saturday with the owners of these two awesome Mopars, and today we're going to do an installation video for your Challenger Hellion, and this one's a satin black. And then we're going to do the Charger backdraft, and this is our non-painted gloss black unit. And we offer all the OEM paint colors for both. This one also comes in a gloss black. And we're going to install them today so that you know exactly how to do it. With Shay, the owner of this beautiful Charger, and we're going to install his backdraft. So first what we're going to do is align it to the top of the roof, and then we're just going to lay it down. And what you're going to do is we're going to start peeling, and just follow yourself down with the cloth as you go. Now rub it hard, put a lot of pressure on it. We're here with Dave to install his Hellion on this F8 Challenger. I'm gonna hold it in place and you start the peel. All right, and that's it. It's a wrap. We just finished our video install of both the Charger and the Challenger. Here we've got a Charger in a backdraft, standard gloss black, not painted. They are available in all the painted colors. And here we have our Challenger with the satin black, Hellion, full set, all 3 pieces. And we've got more Mopar parts coming for you.